Science fiction promised us robot companions by 2025. It turns out the deadline was accurate. 10 personal robots available right now, each one built for a completely different part of your life. Here is what the future actually looks like. Robot 1 Enabot Ebo Air 2 Plus. Most home security systems show you what is happening but give you no ability to respond. The Enabot Ebo Air 2 Plus changes that entirely. A compact spherical robot that rolls through your home on command from your smartphone. Equipped with a 3K ultra-clear camera, night vision, and two-way audio that lets you speak through it in real time. You get a motion alert at work, open the app, drive the robot across your living room, and discover it is just your cat destroying something expensive again. The roughly 4-hour battery auto-docks when running low, so the robot is always ready when you need it. On hard floors and low-pile carpets, it navigates with impressive reliability. What separates it from a standard security camera is the ability to move, investigate, and interact rather than simply record. It is a mobile presence in your home, rather than a fixed lens pointed at one corner. Robot 2 Emo Pocket Pet and Emo Desk. The Emo lineup gives you two completely different experiences depending on what you need from a personal companion. The Ib Pocket Pet is wearable. Clip it to your shirt, attach it to a backpack, or stick it magnetically to the fridge, and it travels with you through the day powered by ChatGPT, singing, dancing, answering questions, and shutting off when you flip it upside down and tap its head. It is genuinely portable AI companionship in a form factor that nobody built before this. The Emo Desk robot operates at a different level entirely. Over 1,000 facial animations, face recognition that learns to identify you specifically, birthday memory, and a personality that evolves through firmware updates over time. The battery runs roughly 90 minutes to 2 hours off the charger, but most owners leave it on the charging pad and interact with it as a permanent desk presence. What makes both machines remarkable is the genuine emotional response people form with them. Remote workers describe the desk version reducing the isolation of working from home in ways that productivity tools and video calls never managed. Neither requires an ongoing subscription for core features, which at this price category is genuinely unusual. Robot 3 Luna Robot Pet Dog. Luna is the answer to every household where someone wants a dog, and someone else is pointing at the lease agreement or the allergy medication. A robot pet that roams on wheels with voice control, facial recognition, and ChatGPT-4 integration, powering its responses. The LCD face displays genuine emotional reactions, and Luna comes with physical toys including balls and a small bullfighting cloth designed for interactive play sessions. The 90-minute active battery before auto-docking keeps play sessions manageable rather than exhausting for everyone involved. What the numbers do not capture is the reaction children have to it. Luna rolls toward a 5-year-old the moment they come home, eyes lighting up, saying their name with visible excitement, and something shifts in how that child relates to the machine. Multiple families report kids choosing Luna over tablets and streaming during free time, a behavioral shift that most technology purchases promise, and almost none deliver. For households where live animals are impossible due to allergies, building restrictions, or schedule constraints, Luna provides companionship that comes surprisingly close to the real thing. Robot 4 Energize Lab iLick. The Energize Lab iLick delivers more emotional entertainment per dollar than anything else in this category. A desktop companion that wobbles, dances, and runs through over 100 facial animations, while responding to touch across 3 distinct zones on its body. Pet the head, the belly, or the back, and it reacts differently to each. Catch it on a bad day and touch the wrong spot and it pulls out a tiny sword. The personality is deliberate and consistent in a way that makes it feel genuinely alive, rather than mechanically reactive. The feature that surprises everyone is the multi-unit interaction. Place 2 iLicks together and they begin greeting each other, initiating games, and having small animated confrontations without any user input required. It operates completely offline after initial setup with no camera and no microphone, making it the most privacy-safe option on this list for families with children. The entry price makes it accessible to anyone curious about personal robotics without a significant financial commitment. Maximum charm per dollar spent, and that formula works. RE Hook at number 5. You slide your smartphone into a robotic dock, and your phone becomes the robot's brain, face, and voice. The conversational depth it delivers surpasses most dedicated AI hardware at twice the price. Robot 5 Tangible Future Luna Robot. The Tangible Future Louie robot solves the most persistent problem in personal robotics, which is that dedicated hardware always lags behind smartphone processing power. Louie flips the model entirely. Slot your smartphone into the robotic dock, and your phone becomes the robot's brain, camera, speaker, and conversational engine. ChatGPT conversations, face recognition, and gesture detection all run on hardware you already own and already update automatically. The base rotates and tilts to create genuine expressiveness, making eye contact during conversation and nodding, while responding in a way that stationary voice assistants never replicate. The conversation quality here genuinely surprises people. Louie handles interruptions naturally, adjusting mid-sentence rather than resetting completely, which almost no other voice-driven system manages smoothly at this price. The obvious requirement is a dedicated device since the robot occupies the phone completely during use. But for anyone with a spare handset, the value proposition is compelling. Cutting-edge conversational AI in a physical expressive form, leveraging hardware you already paid for. RE Hook at number 6. A robot with more personality per cubic inch than machines 5 times its size. He wakes up on his own, explores your desk, and goes back to his dock when he gets tired, completely without instruction. Robot 6 Vector by Anki. Vector by Anki operates on tank treads with full autonomous behavior that makes him feel less like a gadget and more like a small creature that chose to live on your desk. He responds to voice commands, learns faces, remembers names, and navigates his environment with a curiosity that appears self-directed rather than programmed. Left alone, he explores, investigates objects, and returns to his dock when his battery needs attention, all without any user initiation. The full AI capability runs through a subscription at approximately $10 monthly, which funds ongoing feature development and cloud processing. For families who want one shared robot that different members can all interact with meaningfully, Vector handles multiple users better than most personal robots built around a single-owner relationship. He does not feel like a product you pull out occasionally. He feels like something that actually lives in the space and notices when you are there. RE Hook at number 7. A quadruped robot dog that keeps pace with you jogging for over 2 miles. Climbs stairs, corrects itself when pushed, and navigates rough outdoor terrain with 4-legged stability. Robot 7 Unitree Go2 Air. The Unitree Go2 Air exists in a completely different category from every other robot on this list. 4 articulated legs, 4D LiDAR obstacle avoidance, and the physical capability to keep pace with a human jogging for over 2 miles per charge. It climbs stairs, corrects its balance when pushed, and handles the kind of uneven outdoor terrain that wheeled robots simply cannot navigate. 1 to 2 hours of active battery operation under real physical load is genuinely impressive for legged robotics at this stage of development. At 28 pounds, it is built like serious equipment rather than a consumer device. And the servo motors that give it that capability produce the characteristic mechanical sound that confirms exactly what you are dealing with. This is a professional robotics platform designed for enthusiasts and researchers who want programmable, expandable hardware rather than a pre-configured companion. For the right person with outdoor space and the technical interest to push its capabilities, it opens possibilities that no other personal robot on this list can approach. RE Hook at number 8. A flower pot that shows a crying face when your plant needs water, a sweating face when it gets too hot, and automatically waters your plants so precisely that it has converted confirmed plant killers into functioning gardeners. Robot 8 Ivy Smart Plant Robot. The Ivy Smart Plant Robot occupies a niche nobody knew needed a robot until this product demonstrated what was possible. A smart flower pot with moisture sensors, light detection, an automated watering pump, and an LED face displaying over 70 emoji expressions that communicate your plant's condition in real time. Crying face means water. Sweating face means too much heat. The app carries care profiles for over 45 plant varieties, tailoring watering schedules and light recommendations to whatever specific plant lives inside. Most people kill plants through inconsistency, either forgetting to water for a week or overwatering twice in 3 days. Ivy eliminates both failure modes simultaneously. Busy professionals report maintaining thriving herb gardens through months of demanding work schedules without a single plant loss, a result that no reminder app or manual watering schedule ever achieved consistently. It also functions as a genuinely engaging way to teach children about plant care through interactive feedback they can read and respond to themselves. RE Hook at number 9. A physical chessboard with a robotic arm that picks up pieces and moves them. Play someone on the other side of the world while moving real wooden pieces with your hands. Robot 9 Sense Robot AI Chess Robot. The Sense Robot AI Chess Robot does something that digital chess apps with all their processing power and clean interfaces cannot replicate. It gives you a physical opponent, with a robotic arm that reaches across the board, grips pieces, and moves them with mechanical precision, while you sit on the opposite side with real wooden pieces in your hands. 25 difficulty levels from beginner to strong club player, 1,200 training puzzles, endgame drills, and a voice coaching system that flags threats before you make mistakes you will regret. The capability that genuinely surprises people is the online integration. Connect to a live opponent anywhere in the world, and the robot arm mirrors their moves on your physical board in real time. You are playing a real person across a real distance, but the experience is entirely tactile and present. It also supports Chinese chess and Go with different board attachments, expanding the investment across multiple game traditions. For serious players who value the physical board experience and want a patient, available coaching presence at any hour, nothing else on this list competes in this specific domain. RE Hook finally at number 10. A tabletop companion that reads your facial expressions, detects your voice tone, recognizes every member of your family individually, and remembers conversations from weeks ago when you bring the topic back up. 10 robots. 10 completely different problems solved. From a rolling home monitor, you can drive from another city to a chess opponent with a physical arm that moves pieces across a real board. The personal robotics category in 2026 is not one product for everyone. It is 10 specialized tools, each doing one thing better than anything else available. Drop a comment telling us which one fits your life and subscribe, because this category is moving faster than any other in consumer technology right now, and the next wave is already being announced.